Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Okay, so today we're just focusing right on the eyes, and I already did my face. So today we're going to be reviewing one of the Jaclyn Hill Volt collection palettes. Here are some of the swatches of Armed and Gorgeous. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm just going to show you guys what the shades look like in the palette. Here they are. Yes. Okay, so I'm starting out with this Morphe M504 brush, and I'm going to be using this for transition shade right on our crease, and I'm going to be using the shade Agent. Okay. Alright, so I'm just putting this right on our crease, and I'm just going to continue to blend, and I obviously am going to do this to both eyes. Alright, so right here I'm actually going to continue to use the same shade, but I'm just using a smaller, more detailed brush. And this brush is the Morphe M330 brush. Alright, so right here I'm going to be using the Morphe M167 brush and some Pro Concealer in the shade, oh my god, what's the shade? Creamy beige. Yes. And I'm gonna not necessarily do a cut crease, but I'm just putting this concealer down to make the color like really pop when I put the gold down, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So right here I decided to go ahead and speed it up, just simply because this is, you know, it's a long process. It does take a long time, but I wanted you guys to see just how precise you have to be when you do this. So I'm just going to continue to go back and forth, making sure that both eyes are even, and I'm going to continue to also keep patting on the concealer to make it really thin, so that I can lay that eyeshadow down nice and easy. So right here, I'm going to be taking the shade Coin. And yeah, I did not expect that. I was like, whoa, that color though is really pretty. Oh my gosh, look, it's so pretty. So I'm just gonna put this on both eyes so that they can be even. So I'm going back in with that M330 brush, and I promise you guys, I just really love Morphe brushes. Like, it's pretty much all I have for like my eyeshadow brushes because they're affordable and they are bomb. So anywho, I'm going in with the shade Smooth Criminal. Anyway, so I am just gonna blend these two shades together. I am now going in with that deep brown shade Prowl, and I'm just going to put this on the outer corners of my eyes to give like a little bit of like a smoky eye. I am taking forever, but we're going to blend. And for this makeup tutorial, I do not like to do like super like intense looks. Like, I'm just not that kind of girl. But maybe in like a future video I'll try it out. We'll see. Okay, that was the M507 brush, and this is a really teeny tiny brush. And I'm just gonna put this, oh, hey, look at me. I thought I was gonna put it in my outer corner. Nope. I'm gonna put this where that transition shade is supposed to be, and I'm trying to lay down like an orange, but it just was blending right into that brown. But I still like the way that it turned out. Oh, girl, look at you thinking you're all sexy and stuff. Nah, I'm just playing, y'all. I was trying to show you how the look is coming out so far. if I'd stopped talking so much, that was the M507, I believe. Nope, 508. I lied. So anyways, I'm just using this to put as like a brow bone highlight, you know, trying to be cute or something. So what I'm doing here is going back in with that M504, which is the biggest brush that I have, and I am just blending these colors together so that there is no harsh lines. So this is the M432 brush, and I'm looking like an idiot in the camera because it died. Oops, sorry, my camera died. And my baby woke up and I had to nurse her. You guys want to see her? She's super cute, I promise. Oh, look, she's sleeping. Oh, she's so cute. Okay, anyway, back to the tutorial. Okay, I'm taking this brush and I'm going to use this to lay down that same brown shade, the lightest one, the Smooth Criminal, and then I'm also going to take Prowl. And I'm using this to smoke out the lower lash line so that this can be super cute, you know? Alright, I'm picking up the M507, which is the smallest brush that I have, and I am using this to blend out that lower eyeshadow so that there is no harsh lines. Alright, so I'm going back in with the M432 brush, and I am taking that shade Coin again, that gold shade, and I'm going to be putting it right in the inner corner of my lower lash line. I'm going back in with the M507, and of course I'm going to blend this out as well. In case you're wondering what I'm doing, I am picking up the M508 brush, and I am going to be going in with the shade Guilt Trip, which I'm about to show you in like 3, 2, 1. Okay, there we go. And it's just like a lighter gold shade. I wasn't going with VIP, but it was gonna be too intense. But anyway, the same one we used for the brow bone, I'm using for my inner corner. So instead of using this brown eyebrow pencil for eyebrows, I use it as eyeliner. I just, again, do not like intense looks on me. So I just use this as an eyeliner, and bam, boom, it's cute. Gonna go ahead and put this Voluminous Original mascara on my lower lashes. Alright, and now I'm going to be going in with these Balm Ardell Wispy Lashes in some Duo Glue. And like a dummy, I did not look into the camera. I'm actually looking in the mirror. Oh, okay. So I'm just setting my face with this Mario Badescu, I want to say it's called. And I really like it. It like hydrates your skin. And then I'm going to be going in with this MAC Prep and Prime in the scent Lavender. Oh my gosh, you guys, this smells so good, and it is so bomb. Your makeup stays on all day. It's bomb. I love it. Okay, look at me thinking that I'm like a celebrity or something. I'm thinking I'm all types of cute. Okay. So let me point out that I am like not a professional makeup artist. I just do this for fun, and I really like it. And this is just like a light smoky eye, like fall vibes. Oh, okay, look at me. I'm really thinking that I am somebody right now. How nice. I'm really thinking I'm cute or something. Curls popping though. But is this a hair tutorial or a makeup tutorial? Make up your mind. I was gonna leave these parts of the video out, but I said, you know what? I'm just being myself. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching.